Hey, Forex Factory, just want to show you the reversal indicator, see if you're interested in checking it out. First, I just want to show you the safest way on how to use it. So you're looking for this cup shape, and then you're looking for it to take out the top or somewhere near the top of the left-hand move here. So the signal comes out here, takes out about that area, and runs down. So this is a perfect example. You got a good run down, good run up, good length on the bottom here. That's perfect. So yeah, that's the 4 minute chart, and each minute chart will give you different signals. So have a couple on the pairs that you like, a couple different time frames, and some good signals will come out. So I'll just show you a couple days worth of signals here. So here you wouldn't take this signal because there's no cup shape. This has got a little cup shape, but it's so small. Plus it's got this V, these really hard V shapes. So you don't want to take those. No cup shapes here. No real cup shapes here. This has got a better cup shape here. And then if you go from this spot here, round it out to this area here, that one's not bad. And it works out, gives you some runs down. But it doesn't take out the top area here. So a little bit more risky, but there's something there to play around with. Once you experiment with this, you'll figure it out pretty quick. So you got a bit of a cup shape here on this one, but it's so small, it's not a great signal. I'd wait for the better ones. This one here taps into these two implied fair value gaps. So I would have taken that one. And then it comes down, so you get a little bit of a win there. But still, there's not too much room, not too much vertical room, so not great quality. Kind of the same thing happened here. And this is all spring break too. This is spring break week, so a little bit different of a market, but still moves come out. Good run down here, good horizontal space, and then it kind of bounces off this space here. Doesn't quite make it to the top, but still a good signal if you had your stop loss in place, in a good place. Could take that maybe. It's got some decent vertical action. So something to think about. So lots of people have their stop losses here if they're betting it's going to go down. And you can see here it takes out that liquidity and you get that really nice reversal down. You got your vertical down, horizontal move back up. So that's a strong signal. Kind of taps into these implied fair value gaps, really close to them anyhow. So those are great signals. Here's that V shape, that warning, if you're going to take this signal here. So gives you a little rundown, but adds a lot of risk, so you don't really want to take that. These ones down here, like there's no cup shape, even though you would have got a win there. There's just not really any cup shape. Just super, super tiny. So not great signals there. Dangerous V shape, but it would have gave you a win. Takes out this liquidity here. This one's pretty nice. It's a little bit smaller, but works out great. Taps into this liquidity. So yeah, you probably notice that a lot of these V shapes are getting really good signals. Like there, those V shapes on the, I think there's one down here too, like this one too. Oh, I guess just zooming out here a little bit, it's got a really, really big cup shape there. Taps into these implied fair value gaps. Those are really, really strong signals. Gives you a really nice run. And yeah, this is the 4 minute. I mean, like I said, every minute chart's gonna have different signals. Lots of signals here. I'll let you guys just view that on your own. What lines up here? Oh yeah, so the market maker model kind of closes here. So yeah, that's a good signal. Yeah. So yeah, we're at the 17th here of March. How's this cup shape looking here? It's a nice signal. The two implied fair value gaps taps into that. Really strong signal when you tie it with these gaps. Yeah. So any questions? Let me know. I'm an affiliate for the indicator. So I got a link there. Really appreciate your support. If you guys do click my link, I'm here to help answer any questions. Yeah, let me know, guys. Take care. Bless.